When multiplying rational expressions, this works very similarly to simplifying rational expressions. We're going to want to start by factoring everything that we can. So we're going to start by factoring 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. And so I'm going to multiply my first and my last terms here because I have a coefficient greater than 1 in front of my x squared. So I'm going to look for factors of -6 that add up to -5. And those would be -6 and +1. So x minus 6 times x plus 1. And because I multiplied by 2 in the beginning, I'll go ahead and divide by 2 here. So as a result, I'll write my result over here. -6 divided by 2 would give me a -3. So I'll have x minus 3 as one of my factors. And since 1 does not divide 2 and give us an integer, I'll move this 2 to the front. And I'll have 2x plus 1. So that's one of my parts factored there. Then I'll have my x plus 4 because that cannot be factored further. And then on the other hand, factoring x squared minus 16, that's a difference of squares, so that will give us x plus 4 times x minus 4. And then lastly, I will have 2x plus 1. Can't factor anything out there. So now I have everything all factored out. I can now start canceling out things that they have on the top and the bottom. So I see we share a 2x plus 1 on the numerator and denominator. I also see we share an x plus 4. So all I'm going to be left with here is x minus 3 and x minus 4. And if I have nothing left on the bottom, that does not give us 0. That actually gives us 1, because when we divide something by itself, it gives us 1. So my end result here will be x minus 3 times x minus 4 divided by 1. Or if you want to just leave it as x minus 3 times x minus 4, that would also work.